Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have to continue with this placing of diffusers. You can see we in the last tutorials we have completed two office. So we have to continue now. So let us start now. Open your calculation here first. Okay, so this is your load report from the app. So you can see here. We'll continue. We'll start from this private laundry. So for the private laundry, let us check how much is the CFM. So here you can see the private laundry. The total airflow required is 6,692. Sorry, here 490. Okay, so 490 you can pass through only one diffuser. So here you can place one diffuser. So 490, how much? What will be the size of the diffuser? So you can decide. You can check the size using your duct sizer also. So the CFM is 490. Okay. So here what you will do, here you just enter the flow rate. So flow rate will be 490 CFM, and velocity you can consider 500 feet per minute. For diffuser we are considering 500 feet per minute. Okay. So just check here 16 inch. So 12 inch. Okay, so here you can see 12 inch by 13 inch. So you can go for the even value. So even number will be 14 inch. So let's say 14 inch by 14 inch. So 14 inch just convert into the mm. So 14 inch into 25, it will be 350. Okay, so let's say let us check here. 350 is not available. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one. Just enter co copy command. Okay, and copy this, make it down. Okay, and double click to edit. So it will be 350 by 350. Okay, and just scale this one. So use scale command. So type sc, enter, select object, enter, then specify the base point. So I'm going to consider the center point is the base point. Okay, and then R for reference, I'm going to use this reference. Okay, and then enter the value, which will be 350. So you can check now using DLI command. So type DLI, click this point and this point. So you can see the dimension for this diffuser will be 350 by 350. Okay, so similarly you can scale this return diffuser as well. So enter SC. SC is nothing but the scale command, and select object, enter, then specify the base point of this scale. I'm going to use this is the center point as the base point, and you can see here in the command bar it is showing copy or reference. So I'm going to use reference. Specify the scale factor or copy or reference. So I'm going to use the reference. So this is my reference point, first point, second point, then specify the new length or point. So I'm going to specify 350 will be the new length. Okay, so just check using DLI command. Type DLI, you can see this is 350, enter. To repeat the command you just press the enter button. So you can see this is the 350 by 350. Okay, now we have to place this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one line from center of this two walls. So I'm going to use center command. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to just place, just copy this one, type CO, pick from the center of this, and you can place either here or here. Okay, so generally we are placing a little bit far from the door, so do not put the supply diffuser near the door. You can always remember. So here is will be the return. Okay, so just select this line and delete it. Next is your electrical room. So for the electrical room, let us check how much CFM is for the electrical room. Go to this load calculation report, and here is your electrical room. So 293. So 293. Just check how much, what will be the size of the diffuser. So 293, let's say, and here you can see 10 inch. So it will be 10 inch by 10 inch, 10 inch by 9 inch. So you can consider the even number. So 10 inch means 250. So 250 here, here is the 225. So I'm going to copy just these two. Let us copy this and just scale this, double click to edit 250. Okay, here is also 250. Okay, use scale command is C enter. Select object center point R for reference. Select this point, first point, second point, then 250. Again, use scale command is C enter. Select object reference center point R for reference, first point, second point, then 250. Enter. Okay. Now you can save this, and then again the same procedure. You have to take one line, right click, meet between 2 points. So I'm going to take the line between these 2 points, center. Okay, so I'm going to copy this supply diffuser, place it anywhere. So I'm going to place here. Copy this return diffuser, copy and place it here. Okay, now select this line and erase it. Okay, so this is how we are placing. So in the next tutorial, guys, we will continue the same tutorials, placing of diffusers. Okay, so we will finish the sorting area, store, and the laundry. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.